Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is one more dessert, and this one is a no-bake cheesecake, and it's a chocolate peanut butter one. I personally like the flavor combination of chocolate and peanut butter, so I would highly recommend that you guys make this recipe. Except for if you like the salty sweet flavors, then I'd highly recommend that you actually use salted peanuts to serve. So I'll just show you the method. What you'll need to make this cheesecake is 300 grams of biscuit, any biscuits of your choice, 250 grams of cream cheese, we're using Philadelphia, 250 grams of peanut butter, but you need the creamy one because the crunchy one won't really work, 50 grams of powdered sugar, 80 grams of butter, which we will melt later on, 250 milliliters or 1 cup of whipping cream, and a pinch of cinnamon. So your first step is to take the whipping cream, and to whip it. And now we've actually put these two things of the electric mixer and the bowl as well as the whipping cream in the freezer an hour before we started this whole process, and this is because we need them to be very cold. So we're just going to whip the cream before it gets warm and put it back in the fridge. Okay, so now I think it's ready, and we're just going to cover it and put it in the fridge until we prepare the rest of our cheesecake. So now we put our butter on low heat so it can melt, and now after that, as it melts, we process our biscuits. We put them in the food processor. So now we close our food processor and we just process our biscuits until they become this fine powder. After we've blended or processed our biscuit, this is what it should look like, a fine powder. So now we just add in our butter and we process it again. So now we just take our biscuit mixture and we just pour it over our mold or like tray, which we've already lined with parchment paper. So after spreading it or pouring it into our tray, we just try to like level it up and like spread it evenly. So we're using a cup for like a smoother or like easier process. And we just press it until like it's all evenly layered in the tray or mold. So after evenly spreading it on the mold, we take it to the fridge again so we can work on our cream cheese mixture. So now we just add our cream cheese into a large bowl. As well as our sugar. And we just mix it, but we don't really start the electric thing, so we just mix it around. So we do this because if we actually like use the electric thing and we actually like use it, it's just going to fly into like our face. So now we add in our peanut butter. And cinnamon. And we just mix everything together until it's all soft and like evenly incorporated. So now after we mixed our peanut butter mixture, we just take our whipped cream out of the fridge and we start to just take a small section and we gently fold it into our mixture. So after everything has incorporated together, this is what it should look like, smooth and silky. So now we just take this and we pour it over our biscuit mixture and we chill it. So we pour our peanut butter cream cheese mixture and we just even it or like spread it around. So now you just try to like even it, and after that we just cover it and we put it in the fridge overnight, and then we decorate it the next day. So after it has chilled overnight, we've made chocolate ganache, and I think I didn't film it because I feel like everyone knows how to do it, but just in case you don't, it's 100 milliliters of whipping cream, 100 grams of chocolate, we use dark chocolate, and about a teaspoon of butter. So you just put in your whipping cream on low heat, I think, on the stove, and then just let it boil. Add in your chocolate. After that melts, add in your butter, mix everything together, and then you just pour it all over. So now we're just going to drizzle some peanuts which have been roasted and crushed, and we just put it in the fridge again to chill for a few more hours. So after sprinkling the crushed peanuts on top, now we just take it to the fridge and let it chill for an hour before we serve it. So this is what it looks like at the end. As you can see, after it has chilled, all the layers are like so distinguishable. So you can see the biscuit, you can see the peanut cream cheese, and you can see the chocolate and the peanuts from the top, and it looks so good. So I can't wait to cut it and serve it. So when you slice it, this is what it looks like. The layers look so neat and organized, and it's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna try it actually. The crunch. I love it. So as you can see, even cutting it or like slicing through it is very easy. So like make it and you're not going to be disappointed. This is the sort of thing that we would make when we have guests over, because it's something that just like you won't be embarrassed in front of your guests. So this concludes today's video. If you like this kind of content, like, share, subscribe, and comment for more of this so that you can support me to make more of this content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like and follow us on our Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!